Welcome to the Cash Flow module, your easy-to-use tool for understanding, managing, and improving your business's financial health. Whether you're aiming to stay on top of daily expenses or plan for growth, this module gives you clarity and control over your cash flow. Business details. We start with business details. This is where you tell your story, who you are, what you do, and what makes your business unique. It forms the foundation of your cash flow statement. You'll begin with the basics, your business name, along with any registrations or licenses. Then comes the crucial step of defining what type of business you run. Select your industry, sector, and business type, as this will guide you with tailored training across the platform. Whether you operate a hair salon, a poultry farm, work as an electrician, or run any other venture, choose your business. If your business type isn't listed, you can use the search tool or request a new business type to be added that matches exactly what you do. It's also important to specify your legal entity, as well as your contact details. Lastly, we need to know your business savings balance, what cash flow is currently available. Cash flow inputs. This is the main part of this module and where you enter your income, expenses, and payment schedules. This section is designed to make it simple. Just fill in the numbers and we'll do the calculations. Be as comprehensive as you can and fill in as many details as possible in this page. We will do the analysis for you so you can see where your major revenue items are and also where your costs are being spent so that you can adjust accordingly to keep growing while keeping in good financial health with a positive cash flow balance. We start with monthly inflows. Perhaps you have received money from a successful loan application or have a new investor. Then there are sales. You can add as many items as you need, and once you have the line item then you just add the monthly numbers, remembering to say if you have given credit or not and if so, on what terms, this so your cash balance is accurate. Next are all your costs, whether inventory, salaries, utilities, transport or any other. Complete all the sections so that you get the best overall picture of your business financial health. It's important on this page that once you have added your line item, whether it is cash in or cash out, that you update the details on a monthly basis using the Data button. Once you get the pop-up you should fill in the monthly details and importantly record what credit or debt terms were taken or given as appropriate so that you can see a true picture of your cash position. Financial statements. Next is the profit and loss page, which summarizes your revenues, costs, and expenses over a set period, giving you a clear view of profitability. The cash flow report takes all your inputs and generates a month-by-month breakdown, showing when money is coming in and going out, helping you spot trends, prevent shortages, and plan ahead. Finally, is the reporting dashboard which brings it all together. With easy-to-read visuals and key metrics, you can track performance at a glance, compare time periods, and quickly make adjustments to keep your cash flow healthy. The cash flow module turns complex financial tracking into a quick, intuitive process giving you the insights you need to make smarter decisions. Let's get started and put you in control of your business's cash flow.